So one thing that happens here on the side of the requirements is that, oh, this is becoming trendy. Now people are writing full specifications, user journeys as text. And yeah, that is great, right? When I see that, I almost want to cry, because they are sharing all these AI prompts that they are passing to the machines. And there are many developers like me that we are thinking, wow, if only I would have received that documentation at some point, what a beautiful code I would have created, right? Not the AI. So there has been a long time of using things like agile or other excuses to say that, no, we don't need to write that documentation. And now they are trending again. So why is this? Why is this happening again, right? Is it the hype? Is it the snake oil sellers? Well, in part it is, but I believe it is for a different reason. First is that people who are doing this, they get faster feedback. So it's not the same saying something really vague to a team and then waiting a week and then getting something that, okay, this is not what I wanted. And people are reasoning and filling in the gaps, than doing this with an AI agent that will create so much garbage in 5 minutes that you will see, oh, wow, I'm not really explaining myself. Let's do it a bit better. And then in 1 hour, after iterating with the AI many times, you get to 2 pages of documentation. That could be either in a prompt, like in a conversation, or you could be dumping this into a markdown file and then reiterating with the chat to say, go again to the markdown and do this again. So faster feedback is quite powerful here. And then people are realizing that they need more details. And also for many years, we have confused autonomy and ownership of teams with mind reading, in the sense that you give a vague instruction, hey, we need to do this, and then you think that, no, they should do this because they are a team that is self-autonomous. Okay, they are self-autonomous, but maybe you are not explaining yourself in the goals and in the functional workflows that this needs to have. So that's also a problem. Also because we were coming from very old-fashioned waterfall, where we couldn't see the product running until there were like 2 years building something. Of course, that's also not good, but there is a sweet spot in between, right? It's not that you don't need to write any requirements. And one thing that you can see to validate what I'm saying is that Lovable, which is like the major player in, you give a prompt and then you get your app, they have in a corner of their documentation, it's not that visible, they have something that they call the Lovable prompting guide, where they are describing how to properly specify a task, basically, but for an AI. But if you read it, you can see that it's the same as you would do for a person. You define what you want to achieve.